though.
Hey man, I try to show out, but you know what I'm saying? Life hits again. I done broke another.
He done messed up the good.
Another axle.
The axle. Hey man, he just blew his axle, man.
I've been saving my guap, I ain't saving no bitch. I ain't put out my guap, but I picked up a stick. Don't get it hated shit, don't want some baby shit. My people proud, I'm real as it gets. Don't have a trick, I don't like the way.
What's up, you guys? Your boy 2SS Fresh, and I'm actually recording from my phone right now. Look at all these lights on right now. Oh my God, it's Christmas. But anyway, I'm on my way right now to a this is about to be a Hellcat. Look, straight up Hellcat Meet. So we finna go check that out right now. We finna go see what's up with that.
See the CBE 10 mud.
Yeah. You got that. Your lens is like wide view or something.
This that Sigma 16.
So it's like you get a wider view.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look, my boy got the cat.
The cat. That's your white cat.
No, that's his white cat. They came off from out of state.
They came from Colorado.
He the photographer for real. With that K5. Got the cat out here, got the Lexus out here. We got all type of vibes out here. All the vibes. Finally trying to get active on YouTube. It's only right. And here, YouTuber too? Damn, I'm slacking.
I see you got your
Hey,
camera,
man. Hey,
bro. What's your name, bro?
Fresh.
Alua, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Oh, shit.
My boy Catch My Fave finna go out here and put some shit on.
Y'all go follow my boy.
Hold on. We ain't done yet. Let me show you the other side of it real quick. Big drip. I fell in love with a lit bit. Hey!
Somebody coming.
God damn. See it's on.
Y'all want to see more like this? I'm telling you. Hey man, look. I mean, look. You see what this thing is?
Hey man, you just telling my channel to go like and subscribe. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
What's up, man?
Train it in. Train it in. Woo.
Come on, now.
I gotta go dodge. I gotta go dodge.
Hold on, we got some more.
Oh shit. Jump in that bit.
Sound kind of loud.
Sound good.
That bitch get sideways.
We got some more action.
Hey, they better come through, man.
They better come through.
Mucho, where you at, boy? Pull up. I got a wide body out here for you.
Good. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fresh.
Jake.
Oh yeah.
You got that JDM coming through here?
Shut up.
Oh yeah, you know what time.
Oh yeah, here we go, Mucho. I got some. Hey, I got something for you right here.
What that boy say? Like that.
Man, I'm broke.
What you mean?
You see my car? See, look, stop. Bro, I hear that bitch already. You know, I'm gonna stand back here because he gonna slide that bitch. Finna get some action. Yeah.
Let's say for real.
Is he gonna show me something? I don't think he gonna show something. Sure. Crazy. What are y'all? Go ahead and follow my boy right there. Maybe if I get some subscribers.
Loaded, go ahead and talk my shit.
Came through with the bullshit.
I'm trying.
God damn.
He came through with it.
I couldn't see a motherfucker.
I thought he about to smack power people for a minute. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh! Boy came in here and said, fuck it, showing out.
Hey, just snap.
Going stupid. Hey, you dropped it. Boy, going crazy.
Show me some. Show me some. Go ahead, hit this one, get a Hellcat too. Go ahead, nephew.
Hey,
go ahead.
Let me call the tire, man.
I'm getting a new set again. New set. On him again.
Hey, y'all already know how we did it. Take it to the track, man. Come on now. Yeah. I'm telling y'all know what time it is. You got the boy Fresh back behind the wheel again.
Hey, man. No face, no case.
Hey, Fresh, don't disappoint, man. Tell these folk coming trying to show out in the Hellcat. Tell them what the V8 do. The SS. Come on now. Y'all see it. Please don't hit mine. Please don't hit mine. I know you did. You did. You broke that bitch? No! He just broke the diff on this. He broke the car. You lying.
Broke the car.
This the second one, bro. What is it?
It's the axle.
It's the axle? No, man. We just broke my man car. Golly. See the days when we be like, let's chill, and we don't chill, and then we mess up something. Oh, hold on, no. Look like you with me tonight, Fresh. Get broke.
I think this axle right here.
Will you be able to get it home? Huh?
I'm gonna drop it.
You finna take it home?
Damn. Can't even do nothing. I knew it was coming too.
Why you?
I got axles at home.
That man got axles at home.
This shit ain't gonna roll.
Nah, you ain't making it home, cuz. Yeah, we out of commission. Yeah. No. Hey man, tell him man D to come get us. Hey man. Yo.
Hey man, I try to show out, but you know what I'm saying? Life hits again. I done broke another
He done messed up the good.
another axle.
The axle. Hey man, he just blew his axle, man. Try to show out. Hey, come up the street and grab me, cuz. Look at him.
This nigga is stupid.
This man stay going through it with this guy. I swear to God, man. Hey, man, y'all see my boy D? Go subscribe, man.
Hey man, I done broke some shit.
This what? Hey, man, it wouldn't be a night without Fresh breaking the car, man. Look, man, y'all like and subscribe to get my boy a new axle. You feel me? It's all right. You got my way home, right?
Yeah.
We can take it to the shop right now and get it fixed. What's up?
I don't know if it's an axle. I can't really tell him that. Can't really tell him that. That bit went.
It caught and then it let go. I was like, something broke. Hey man, I can say I've been in the car with it, man. The car don't broke. We down bad out here. My boy D coming to pick us up though. You ride with me tonight, baby. I take TV, man. He out here calling the mechanic. Jose, I thought you fixed this. This the third one. My boy's sick, man. My boy's sick, man. You can't even bop out there weekend.
I'm done with the car, bro.
You done? You finna let the Chevy go.
You finna let it go?
It's for sale right now, 11K.
Fine. No more SS Fresh. I'm retired.
You done with the SS?
Done.
Woo.
Damn.
Chevy, why y'all do them like this?
No.
Look, and they down there, you know what's the funny part, right? They down there expecting him to come through and turn up. We gotta go back and be like, my boy broke the axle. Hey, I bet you they knew something broke though. I ain't even feel a lot of way that mud. I heard it in the car, that mud sound like something shot up out the back of it.
Broke? I broke another axle. Fuck, man.
You might well go on the Summit, boy, instead of spending it later.
I ain't spending shit no more. I done spent $3,700. in 3 weeks. And my shit just broke again.
He ain't lying.
Man, this shit, I can't make it up, man. Hey, look, make sure y'all go like and subscribe because everything from now on is going up. You feel me? It was already going up. That's just God telling me it would come up.
Listen, we tell him before you go outside, chill. Don't do nothing. What he do?
You know what event coming up. Look, we tell him, you know what event finna come up. Just chill.
We tell him to chill. What he do?
He can't even whip this mud this weekend.
What he do?
Oh, I'll whip it into the motherfucking wall and I...
Put 20,000 down. Fuck you. 20,000, nigga. 20,000. I'm about to go broke about the cat, nigga.
500 so I can fix this real quick.
I'm about to go broke about the cat, nigga. Fuck it, nigga.
All right, y'all. So the tow truck is here. I can't get a break. Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. It's not even morning. I just woke up. It's 12:03. I had to call an Uber to come get me because yeah, I don't have a car right now. Well, I just got to the shop. And here is my good old shit box. There is also my axles right here. Hold on. Yeah. See what the hell I done messed up today. Alright, so here's the axle. Telling them here's the axle. That's what it looked like. Alright, y'all, so I finally got the axle put on. And a valuable lesson, since this is what, the 6th axle? Yeah. 6th axle, yes. Don't buy aftermarket axles. If you want to buy them, make sure you go ahead and spend that way.
Them bitches expensive too.
So I got some GM axles for right now on this side. Other side still Chinese, but here.
I think the other side will be snapping like this side too because now you have
both ways.
You party track, so before you was just limited slip.
Alright, y'all, I'm finna do a little test run real quick, see how this thing go, how that thing move. Let's see. Oh, we moving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Your boy's back. Back. This shit is running again. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please go like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go get another video in today. No stopping.
Life can't go nowhere, but only if you take it there. Levels to the system.